Good morning, all of you. Now, today we are going to start with the second category of single row function, that is string function, or we can call it text functions. Now, string function or text function means the function uh, which we can apply only on the text data type or char varchar data type, we can say, or on string. That functions are string functions which apply only on string or on text, that is string functions. So again, string functions are of so many types or so many categories, so many examples are there. So I will explain one by one. First one is left. Now left function means what? Suppose you have one string and you want to extract or you want some characters from the left hand side of the string. You want some characters or character from the left hand side of the string, then we will use function left. See the definition? It is used to extract the character, maybe single character or characters, maybe multiple, from the left side of the string. Means from the starting of the string it will extract. User have to give the string and give number of characters. How many characters they want to extract from the left hand side. See the syntax? Select left. First parameter is string. Then second one is number of characters. How many characters you want from the left hand side. See the example. One more syntax is there. The first one, and this is the second syntax. Select left. Column name, comma number of characters from table name where condition. You can apply the function on table also. And the first one we are applying directly on the string without using any table. We are applying on the fixed string. This first syntax we are applying on the fixed string. We can use the same function on the table also. See the example. Select left, then fixed string, welcome to online classes. This is my string, comma 5. I want to extract 5 characters from the left hand side. See the output. So start counting from the first. 1 is welcome, sorry, W. Second one is E. Third is L. Fourth is C. Fifth is O. So output is WELCO. Just see the output. Okay, clear? Now second function is right. It is just opposite of your left function. Your left function will extract the characters from the starting of the string or from the left side of the string, but the right function will extract the characters from the right side of the string, or we can say start extracting the characters from the end of the string. See the definition? It is used to extract the character, maybe single character or multiple characters from the right side of the string. Will extract the character or characters from the right side of the string. Syntax is select right, in the bracket give the string, number of characters, how many characters you want to extract. So same syntax you can apply with the table also, but instead of at the end just add from table name where condition. See the example. Select right, then string welcome to online classes, comma 5. I want to extract 5 characters from the right hand side. So just start counting from the end or at the right hand side of the string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will print A S S E S. Now next one, next function is mid. Now this function is used to extract the characters from the given position. User have to give from which position you want to extract the character and how many characters. See, left has the fixed position, starting position, that is from the beginning. Right has the fixed starting fixed position, that is from the end. But in mid we have to give the position कि from where you want to start extracting the characters and how many characters. See the definition? It is used to extract the character or characters from the given position. You have to give the position from where you want to start extracting the character to the given number of characters, and you have to give number of characters, how many characters you want. See the syntax? Select mid string, then starting position, comma number of characters. Same you can use with the table also. You have to add table name where condition, from table name where condition. See the example? Select mid, then string welcome to online classes. Then first parameter, next parameter is 5, means I have to start extracting the characters from the 5th position. And how many characters? 3. So just start counting from the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means we have to start extracting from O. How many characters we want? 3. So 1 O, second M, third E. So it will print OME. Just see the output. OME. So here first parameter is your string. Second one is the starting position. Then third one is total number of characters. Thank you.